To ensure a seamless transition of power from the normal system to the emergency system at the automatic transfer switch, the following devices and systems are recommended. Firstly, an uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, provides short-term battery power to critical loads during power outages or voltage fluctuations. It allows for a momentary delay in transfer to the emergency system, ensuring uninterrupted operation for sensitive equipment. Secondly, a static transfer switch, or SDS, is a specialized switch that transfers power from the normal system to the emergency system in less than 10 milliseconds. This eliminates any power interruption during the transfer process. Thirdly, an automatic voltage regulator, or AVR, regulates incoming voltage from the emergency generator to ensure it matches the normal system voltage. This prevents damage to sensitive equipment due to voltage surges or drops. Fourthly, a generator interlock system ensures that the emergency generator is started and synchronized with the automatic transfer switch before the transfer occurs. This prevents backfeed into the utility grid and ensures the safe operation of the generator. Fifthly, a programmable logic controller, or PLC, is a central control device that monitors the electrical system and initiates the transfer to the emergency system based on predefined parameters. This provides flexibility and customization for different operating scenarios. Sixthly, a remote monitoring system allows remote monitoring and control of the automatic transfer switch and associated systems. This enables early detection of issues and proactive maintenance to ensure uninterrupted power supply. Proper installation and testing should be performed by qualified personnel to ensure optimal performance. Regular scheduled maintenance is crucial to keep all devices and systems in good working order. Ensure sufficient fuel supply for the emergency generator to support the duration of power outages. Provide training to building personnel on the operation and maintenance of the no-break transition system.